Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to SpaghettiNoob.
Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing as well as a mini review of this Ryobi brushless 40-volt electric chainsaw. Before we get into that, please make sure you hit the like button. Really appreciate it. Really helps us out at the channel for that YouTube algorithm. At the same time, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's get on to the video. So we are just gonna start unboxing this. And hi Boo. It's actually pretty simple. Battery's probably in there. Charger is right here. Charger. Battery, we'll open that in a second. Manual. Oh, look at that. Review to win. I'm kind of already doing that. I might just do that. Alright, I think before I take this out, I need to... Well, that should just slide right up. Hey. It's fairly light, but there's no battery on it yet. Alright, let's unsheath it. What's in here? Oh, this one. Put that here. Here's one of these batteries. I already have one because I got their 40-volt string trimmer and tiller. Ryobi! Alright. Let's unsheath this thing. Ooh. Fancy. Alright. Let's put this on. Let's put some bar oil. Bar and chain oil. Goes in right here. Hopefully I don't make a mess. And at the same time, let's check this battery's capacity. Or not capacity, it's for amp hours, but I meant charge level. I actually have the other one charging. Just hit the little button. Oh, this one needs to be charged as well. So we'll put some bar and chain oil, charge this guy up, and then we'll use it to charge it. It has this little simple charger, also has a USB port. You just slide it on right here like this, and then you plug it in. So we'll put that behind the camera for now so we can go and charge it. And we'll just put some bar and chain oil, and then we'll be back once the battery's charged. And we're going to go clear out some light brush. Oh. Alright, get the ring off. This is just whatever cheap bar and chain oil. Let's close this. Actually, before we put in the battery, let's just give it one rev. With this one powered battery, or one whatever that's called. Keep the sheath. Make sure this works. Well, looks like it goes like that. Ooh, substantially heavier with no, bad bag. Trigger lock. Press down here. Sounds like it ramps up. Like it sounds like it's really slow. It could be the power of the battery. Oh, and also the lube not getting to it. Oh, puppy must remain safe. Yeah, seems like it ramps up. Kind of cool. All right, so let's go charge the battery and let's put the sheath back on. And we will be back. Alright, cool. I'll probably read the manual while the battery's charging. Huh, what is that? It's like gel. I don't know if that's normal. I don't want to touch it. Alright, we'll be back. We got the battery charged back up. That's fully good to go. Alright, let's see what it's like with the whole battery. Got safety lock. Stay blue. Blue, you gotta stay there. That's pretty crazy. Alright, let's get this mounted and see what it can do. Alright guys, that's it for now. Here's a quick preview for the next upcoming video. So, that being said, please make sure you like the video, really help us out. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. We would greatly appreciate it. At the same time, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. And as always, thank you. Have a good day.